it appeared in dream and directed the old man what to do. Okay, we will click up to this. Please open page number 59. So, as directed by the dog, the old man made a cup and made a mortar out of that, out of the pine tree. Okay, so he wanted to make pastry for the new year.
Sir, what is the page number?
Page number 59, you please open. 59 page number.
59.
Okay. So he started the beating the gold. So what happened? When he bet, the whole mass of gold turned into heap of gold coins. So when he wanted to make it a paste with the mill, what happened? The gold dropped like rain. Up to this we have read. Okay. So you see the dream of the dog became true. How? The purpose was to benefit the old man. So the old man again became rich. Okay. So up to this we have read. Now you see next second paragraph. Second paragraph of page number 59. Meanwhile, the envious neighbor peeped in at the window, and when the boiled beans were being ground, so green ground. So the neighbor means, as I told, there was a neighbor. He was an old man. He was not a good man. He was wicked, and also his wife was also there. She was also a very cruel lady. How could you say that they were cruel? They killed the dog unnecessarily. There was no need to kill the dog, but they killed the dog. So, in this manner, the envious neighbor peeped. Peeped means looked inside. Through the window and saw that the old man is grinding the corn and he is getting the gold. Okay, so goody me, cried the old hag. Hag means the Amir old man.
Sir, what do you have written?
People is looked inside. Hag means ugly old man. So, as told by the dog, the old man cut down the pine tree and made a bowl and a mortar. When he started beating and grinding, all gold coins turned into pieces of gold. The old man was happy, but the other old man, the wicked one, also saw this. So he also wanted to do the same thing. But what happened, you will see. Goody me, cried the old hag, as she saw each dripping of sauce, turning into yellow gold, until a few minutes the top under the mill was full of shining mass of gold. Before the eyes of the old, wicked old couple, it was all turning into gold. It was intolerable for them. Okay, so they also wanted to be rich, but without doing any noble deed. So the old couple were rich again. The next day, the stingy and the wicked neighbor. So these words are used to describe the wicked old man. Okay, stingy. Stingy means STINGY. Stingy means you are a stingy fellow. Somebody you are telling means you want to point out that he is a being selfish and also a person who thinks of small things is called stingy. So the old man also did like this. The next day, the stingy and wicked neighbor came and borrowed the mortar and magic mill. Okay. So you can tell miserly, you can tell greedy, you can tell all the bad things. So they also took the mortar and the bowl from the old man, thinking that they will also do the same
Sir,
thing.
page number?
Page number 59, you please open, children. 59. Okay. So, They also wanted to become rich. Okay, so they filled one with boiled rice and the other with beans. Then the old man began to pound and the woman to grind, but at the first blow and torn, the pestilent sauce turned into a foul mass of worms. So instead of gold, foul means bad smelling, which smells bad is called foul. So instead of gold, they got a heap of worms. The first old man was noble, hardworking, honest. He was rewarded with gold. The other old man was wicked, mean, and cruel. So he got some worms. Okay. So naturally, but still angry in this, they chopped the meal into pieces. They used as firewood. They became angry and they broke everything. Everything they broke, and they all wanted to use it fire. Okay. So as directed by the dog, the good old man did the things and got a pile of gold. Same thing was done by the wicked old man, but he did not get any gold, and all became a heap of worms, not gold. Okay. So this was an incident which shows the noble is rewarded and the crooked one is punished. Okay. So in this way, the spirit of the dog helped the old man, but it did not help the other old man. Why? He was wicked, mean, and was cruel and selfish also. Please turn the next page. So we have read this part one almost. The part one was about an old couple. The old couple were good and hardworking. So they had a dog. The dog was also good. So the dog one day put its paw on the old man. They thought it is a kind of play, and it went and scratched in one place. They dug the place and got a heap of gold. The other old man did like this. When the dog did not favor, they killed the dog, but instead of gold, they got a dead kitten. One. In second incident, what happened? Now the dog is dead. So the spirit of the dog helped the first old man. It directed them to make a bowl and with hammer it with a mortar. And when they grind, it became gold coins. When they grinded, all became pieces of gold. The second old man also did like this and got a bowl of worms. Did not get any gold. Up to this we have read. So comprehension check, page number 60. You please open page number 60. Comprehension check. So up to this, the story is clear, no? This is part one of the story.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you see comprehension check to open, children. Please do in the notebook whatever hint I am giving about this. Okay. So comprehension check, page number 60. Okay. Page number 60, you see there are questions. Why did the neighbors kill the dog?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, yes. One by one you tell. Who can tell?
The neighbors killed the dog.
Naveen Kumar Meena.
Yes.
Sir. But they got
The poor neighbor killed the dog because they want a treasure.
See, all will get chance. Let Navin tell, then you will tell, Puthi will tell. Okay, Navin, you tell first.
The neighbors killed the dog because they want some treasure, but the dog had found a dead kitten for them.
So he showed him the place. Prithvi, you can tell. Your answer is same or different. I will see.
yes, sir. The old couple killed the neighbor killed the dog because they want a treasure, and the dog had given them a dead body of a cat.
Yes. They instead of the dog, they got a dead kitten. So they became angry and killed the dog. Okay. Clear? So they wanted the dog to find them gold. They wanted the dog to find them gold. But what happened? Instead of gold, what they saw, they saw that it has shown them a dead kitten. They became angry and killed the dog. Clear? Yes.
Okay, sir.
Clear. Let us go to bit 1. Mark the right item. Answer 2. Answer 2, bit 1. So answer 1 we have discussed. Now let us go to answer 2, bit 1. There are 3 options. Okay. So mark the right item. The old man.
Please, can I tell?
uh,
Can I tell?
yes.
Sir,
Yes.
can I tell this? Old neighbor killed the dog out of anger and frustration. They first tried to please the dog. They hoped that the dog would lead them to a treasure, but when the dog led them to a dead kitten, they were angry and killed it.
Kill the dog. Yes. Now you see this any answer. All 3 answers are correct. Our key summary of the answer would be
Sir,
that.
can I tell?
Yes, yes. Navin already told. Chirag can tell.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सर सेकंड का फर्स्ट का बी होगा एज इफ देयर वाज देयर ओन बेबी.
Yes, yes. So it may be B or C also. C also, B and C both are correct. Okay, C also correct. They were as they were kind to all living beings also is correct. So most appropriate is B. As if it was their own baby. If there is multiple choice, we have to take the second one. As if it was their own baby. Please tick. Afterwards, you will write in the notebook. Then you see bit 2.
सर सेकंड मतलब सेकंड का होगा.
Sir,
Can I give answer?
yes, on the
Comfortable and weird generals towards their poor neighbor.
yes, yes. Lived comfortably and were generous towards the poor neighbors. So one is B.
Sir, can I tell the third answer?
Yes, yes.
Sir, the third answer will be the C,
A
a pile of gold.
A pile of gold.
A pile of
A
gold.
pile of gold. Sir, see a pile of gold.
Pile of gold. So all answers you could say, all correct answers only a pile of gold. So third answer is C. So B, C, C. And in first C is also applicable because he was kind to all the living beings. That also is applicable. Now let us go to part 2. Please think I will go to part 2. Okay. So part 2 story. Not long after that, the good old man dreamt again, and the spirit of the dog spoke to him, telling him how the wicked people had burnt the mill. Okay, made from the pine tree. So the old man did not know what happened to the mill. So the wicked people, they have burnt the mill also. So take the ashes of the mill, sprinkle them on the withered trees, and they will bloom again. Withered means which have dried up. Withered. Dried up. Okay. So in the first instance, the dog has directed the old man to become rich. In the second instance also, it is helping the old man. So this, though the dog was dead, its spirit was always helping the good old man. Okay. Not long after that, the good old man dreamed again, and the spirit of the dog spoke to him, telling him how the wicked people have burnt the mill made from the pine tree. Take the ashes of the mill, sprinkle them on the withered tree, and they will bloom again. Bloom means that will be alive again, and that will blossom. That will give you many powers. was the instruction given by the dog. The old man awoke and went at once. At once means, who can say at once? At once means
एक बार.
At that time.
immediately. Okay, at once means immediately. Please note down. Okay, at once is immediately. Okay, so immediately the old man got up. When he found the miserable old pair sitting at the edge of their square fireplace in the middle of the floor, smoking and spinning. So when he came out, he saw the old couple sitting outside the house, making a fire and spinning. Okay, so in the middle of the floor, smoking and spinning, from time to time they warmed their hands and feet with the blaze from some bits of milk, while behind him lay the pile of the broken pieces. So when he came out to see, he saw the old couple. They made a fire out of the broken. Okay, what was broken? It was broken milk, and the blaze from the fire was coming. They were sucking their hands. They were showing to the fire and sitting outside. The old man humbly asked for the access, though the covetous couple turned up their noses at him and scolded him as if it were a thief. He were a thief. They let him fill his basket with the access. So instead of disturbing the old couple, he told, "Okay, you have burnt the milk. No problem. You give me the access." So they treated him like a thief. The bad couple treated him like a thief. But for access, they agreed because access will be of no use, they thought. Okay, so they allowed him. Let means here, in which meaning they used let means to allow. So they allowed the old man to take the basket of access, okay, as he requested by him. On coming home, the old man took his wife into the garden. It being winter, their favorite cherry tree was bare. He sprinkled a pinch of ashes on it, and lo, it sprouted blossoms until it became a cloud of pink blossoms, which perfumed the air. So there was the cherry tree in the garden, which was their favorite. It was bare. Bare means there was no fruit or flower. Bare means here naked. Here, in what sense it is used? It has neither fruit nor flower. Okay. Bare means it had no fruit or flower. So when the old man came out, he saw the old wicked couple sitting, warming their hand with the burnt milk. So he requested them for the access, which they readily agreed. And he took the access to the garden, and there they had a cherry tree. Cherry, you know, it is a delicious, not cherry. Cherry tree you might have seen red okay. Cherry you might have seen in lassi. We are putting cherry.
Yes, sir, in many cakes.
Red color. Okay, so what they did, they sprinkled a pinch of ashes on it and it glowed. Glow means like magic. Glow is the symbol of, it is exclamation is there no after glow. Glow means as if by magic. As if by magic. It is glow. As if by magic. So what happened? They sprinkled the ashes and put there. So it sprouted blossoms until it became a cloud of pink blossoms which perfumed the air. Perfumed means filled the air with good fragrance. Perfume you are using. Okay, perfume you know, no? It is the sweet fragrance it will give. So what they did, they put the ashes. Immediately what happened? In the bare tree also, there were many beautiful flowers, pink colored flowers, and they filled the air with the sweet smell. Fragrance means sweet smell. Okay? Any doubt is there? Any doubt is there, children? Nirav, any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Okay, you understood, no? Now,
Yes, sir.
the covetous couple have heard the story and gathering of the remaining ashes of the mill kept them to make withered trees blossom. Now also they tried that the other old man had sprinkled the ashes. So the tree blossomed. So we can also try the same method. They went and thinking that it will bloom. They also put the remaining ashes on the tree. Okay. Now, what happened you see? Okay. The kind old man, hearing that his lord, the daimyo, was to pass along the high road near the village. So that day what happened? By coincidence, the daimyo was passing. Daimyo means the rich landlord was passing through that village in the high road. Okay. So he set out to see him. Set out means start to come out. I set out to go to Calcutta. I set out to go to Mumbai means to start. Taking the basket of ashes as the train approached, he climbed up into an old withered cherry tree that stood by the wayside. As the daimyo was coming, the road was crowded. There were many people present to greet the daimyo. So he reached there and he did not get the proper place. So what he did? He climbed a tree and waited there. Now in the days of the daimyos, it was the custom when their lord passed by for all the loyal people to sort up their high windows. They even pasted them fast with a slip of paper so as not to commit the impertinence of looking down on his lordship. Impertinence means it is an act of disobedience. So daimyos were powerful and the people respected them like gods. So it was a crime to keep the window open and to look at him directly. So a paper was also pasted indicating that when the daimyo was passing, nobody should open the window and nobody should look at him directly. All the people along the roadside would fall upon their hands and knees and remain prostrate until the procession passed by. Prostrate means lying on the ground, face downward. So looking straight into the eyes of the daimyo was a crime. The daimyos were respected and had so much power. So the rule of the country was that when the daimyo and his procession was passing, nobody should keep the windows open, nobody should look at his face directly. The people will queue in 2 rows, and what they will do, they will prostrate. They will do like this. They will not look at him directly.
Sir,
Yes. What happened?
sir, what do you have written? Bear.
Page number 62.
No, sir,
Okay.
what do you have written under bear?
Bear is naked. N-A-K-E-D. Here it is without fruit and flower. In bracket you can write without flower, fruit. Okay. So the cherry tree was not having any flower or fruit. So it was a bare tree, means naked tree. Okay. So the train drew near. One tall, competent man marched ahead, crying out to the people by the way, "Get down on your knees, get down on your knees." And everyone knelt down while the procession was passing. So in front, no, some person, a competent person means a big officer or a powerful person. He came and directed, "Get down on your knees." They know is coming. You please prostrate. Don't look at his face directly. You put your hand and in your hand and knee you prostrate and don't look at his face directly. Okay. Suddenly the leader of the band caught sight of the aged man up in the tree. So to catch sight means to notice or to look. Its past tense is caught sight. Sight means see sight. Okay. From the word see, the word sight is written. S-E-C. See sight. So, card sight. Card sight means saw. Card sight means saw or notice. Okay. So, it was illegal for anybody to look at the face of the daimyo directly. So, they saw the old man. He was about to call out to an angry tone, but seeing that he was such an old fellow, he pretended not to notice him and passed him by. Pretended means acted. He made the gesture. So he saw the old man. So he would have told a old man, get down, but he did not say. Because he was an old fellow, he had some kindness towards him. So he just ignored him. He ignored the old man climbing the tree. So when the daimyo's palinki, you know, it was a hand-driven carriage carried out by people in the olden days. The prince and princesses, they were going by palinki. Palinki, you know, P-A-L-A-N-Q-U-I-N.
Sir, palki?
Palinkin it is called, means, you know, hand they will hold. 4 people will hold from 4 sides and take in their shoulders. So that was the royal carriage. Earlier it was driven by horse also. Sometimes they carry by the hand. 2 sides, 2 handles will be there. And either people will carry or it will be drawn horse. Palinkin.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
सर उसे बग्गी कहते हैं ना बग्गी.
What happened?
सर वो जो 4 आदमी उठा के लाते हैं उसे बग्गी भी कहते हैं ना.
Yes. Sometimes it is horse driven, sometimes it is driven by people. People only will carry as a mark of respect. It was the royal van in which the daimyo was going. Okay. So when the daimyo's palanquin drew near the old man, taking a pinch of ashes from his basket, scattered it over the tree. In a moment, it burst into flames. So the old man, what he did, he made a trick. What he did is little pinch of ashes. Pinch means very little amount. He took and scattered on the cherry tree. Immediately in the cherry tree became full of flowers. Okay. So the old man was very clever. In order to draw the attention of the daimyo, he made a clever trick. The good old man. So what he did, little pinch of ash he took and scattered over the tree. Okay. And immediately the tree burst into blossoms, became full of flowers. The delighted daimyo ordered the train to be stopped and got out to see the wonder. Delighted means happy. The daimyo became very happy. Delighted became happy. The daimyo became happy because in the tree there was nothing, but now it is filled with beautiful flowers, and the flowers are giving a nice smell. So he stopped the train. All the procession is stopped and got down to see the wonder. Wonder means surprise. What happened? It was a miracle. How? Because that in that tree there was nothing, but now it has become full of flowers, sweet smelling flowers. So it was a very good experience for the daimyo. He became very happy and he told the procession to stop, and he himself got down from the royal cart to see what had happened. Okay, so calling the old man to show, he called the old man and he
Sir?
thanked him. Yes,
सर मैं एक और वर्ड बताऊं उस बग्घी का.
yes, yes.
सर इन तमिल इट इज कॉल्ड पाकी.
Okay, okay. The carriers of,
PAKI.
yes, yes. There are many equivalent words in different languages. Because earlier royal people, they used to visit in a royal carriage. Either the carriage is driven by horses or sometimes by human beings themselves. So the daimyo became very happy. Why? Because in the tree there was nothing, but now the tree has become full of beautiful sweet smelling flowers. Okay. So, calling the old man to him, he thanked him and ordered presents of silk robes, sponge cake, fans, and other rewards to be given him. He even invited him to his castle. Castle means court. So he invited generally, they used to stay in the castle. So he called the old man, thanked him, gave him many costly gifts, and also invited him, you please come to my court. He invited him. So the old man went gleefully home to share his joy with his dear wife. Gleefully also, happily. Gleefully. Any doubt is there? Any doubt is there? Or we will proceed? Any doubt is there?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, ask me. Yes, please express your doubt. Tell me the doubt.
Sir, when the old man,
Yes, ask Dipanshu.
some arches on the landowners, what happened?
Please send in WhatsApp if you are not able to express the question. Send by writing, I will reply. Okay. Dipanshu. Are you able to hear Dipanshu? Okay. So the old man went happily home to tell the story. Yes, Dipanshu you send. Okay, Chirag also you can ask.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the doubt.
Sir, in the story, at last line, there is written, thus the wicked old man died in the mud, but the kind friend of the dog dwelt in peace and penalty, and both he and his wife lived to a green old age.
Means then you see in the old age everybody is unhappy in the old age, but they lived a green old age, means happy old age. So happily they died their natural death. What is the name of the old man? See, not given in the text. Is it asked? Is it asked?
No, sir.
Then how can we know the name of the old man?
सर मेरा डाउट ये है कि ना विक्ड ओल्ड मैन तो मर गया, तो उसकी जो वाइफ थी वो उसका तो यहाँ पे कोई मेंशन ही नहीं है.
But the kind old friend of the dog returned in peace and plenty.
Sir, can I say something?
Yes.
सर ये जो स्टोरीज होती है ये एक बहुत बड़ी नोबल्स में ली जाती है, इसलिए पूरी स्टोरी नोबल्स में मेंटेन होती है. इसमें बस एक पार्ट दिया जाता है.
You are correct. We may be knowing only one part. That's why we are not clear. Okay.
एकदम सही कह रहा है नवीन.
See, the old man died. See, spirit of the dog will never die. Okay. Can it die? Spirit cannot die. Okay.
Yes, sir. सर मेरा डाउट ये है कि यहाँ पे कोई विक्ड ओल्ड मैन तो मर गया और उसकी वाइफ का कोई मेंशन नहीं किया है यहाँ पे.
Naturally, she must have died because the main character is the wicked old man.
Sir, both they have done since.
Actually, one is good, one is bad. So, according to the justice, what the good should be rewarded, the wicked should be punished. So, they might have. We will see. We will come to that. Now, we will see.
Sir, wicked old man की जो wife थी, उसका यहाँ पे कोई mention नहीं है.
She might not have died. Okay.
Why they both have done equally sins and they made
Yes, you are
they done sins both together. So
But
they
that-
have died at the same moment.
Yes, yes. So the good old man, see, no. A comparison is given between the good old man and the bad old man. So the good old man, he made the daimyo happy, was rewarded. The wicked old man, he made the daimyo angry, he was punished. So in which manner he was punished, he could not tolerate, he died. This is given.
The good man, the good man got rewards as silk robes, sponge cake, fans, and other rewards. And he was even invited to the
Castle.
palace.
Yes, correct. So what the wicked old man did will come to that. Why he was
Yes,
punished?
sir.
There must be a reason. No, why unnecessarily a person will be punished? He must have done some fault.
Yes, sir.
So we'll come to that. So page number 63 it is given. So but when the greedy neighbor heard of it, he took some of the magic assets and went out on the highway. So the good old man was hiding, climbing a tree. The bad old man had this and he also went with the assets. He had the assets, so he went there to get the same reward. So he waited on the highway. There he waited until a daimyo's train came along. And instead of kneeling down like the crowd, he climbed a withered cherry tree. So he thought that by climbing the cherry tree, the good old man was rewarded. So I will also do the same thing. I may be rewarded. Thinking that he also went there and he also climbed a cherry tree. When the daimyo himself was almost directly under him, he threw a handful of ashes over the tree, which did not change a particle. Means the first old man, he had scattered the ashes on the tree, but this man, what he did, he threw the ashes at the daimyo himself. So he thought some magic will happen, but no magic took place.
Sir, he threw the handful of ashes on the tree, but the wind
Yes, it went
was blowing in another direction, so
And it,
the dust blew into the stomach
yes.
or into the noses of the dominoes, and he punished him and killed him.
Yes.
Killed
The
the wicked old man.
Yes, you are correct. The wind was blowing not in the proper direction. The wind blew the fine dust in the nose and eyes of the daimyo and his wife, such sneezing and choking. So they were all sneezing and they were choking, means unable to take proper breath because of the dust thrown by the wicked old man. Such sneezing and choking, it spoiled all the pomp and dignity of the person. Pomp and dignity means the decorum, the luxury, the show, everything was destroyed because the people for whom it was made, for whom the decorum was maintained, they themselves are sneezing and choking. So it became a miserable experience for them. Okay. So it spoiled all the pomp and dignity of the person, the man whose business it was to cry, "Get down on your knees," seized the old fool. Old fool means the wicked old man. So there was a man to look after all the proceedings. So he observed this and became angry. So in a fit of anger, he punished him. In a fit of anger. Okay. Okay, children, we will continue tomorrow. Okay. Okay, Adarsh Tiwari, I have written, don't worry.